Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho CRM. First, sign up for your account and log in. Then head to the Setup menu found in the top right corner. Here, you'll personalize your organization's details like business hours and currency. Next, customize essential modules such as leads, accounts, and contacts to align with your unique business processes. This initial setup is crucial for building a solid foundation for your customer relationship management. Once your basic setup is complete, the next vital step is importing your existing customer data. Prepare your data in a clean CSV or Excel file, ensuring all information is accurate. Utilize Zoho CRM's intuitive data migration wizard, which guides you through the process. Carefully map your file's columns to the corresponding fields within Zoho CRM. After import, always review a few records to confirm data integrity and accuracy. Now, let's supercharge your efficiency by automating key sales processes. Zoho CRM allows you to create powerful workflow rules that automate routine tasks, saving your team valuable time. Set up automated email alerts for important events, like a new lead status change or a deal closing. You can also design blueprints to guide your sales team through specific processes, ensuring consistency and compliance across the board. Finally, effectively manage your team and secure your data. Add new users to your CRM and assign them specific roles, such as administrator or standard user. Define profiles to precisely control what each user can see and do within the system. Establish data sharing rules to foster collaboration while maintaining data privacy. Always configure robust security settings to protect your valuable customer information and ensure compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.